Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming essential prerequisites and then start the e-travel application right away. Have your passport, email, card, flight info, and a clear passport photo ready. This prevents delays. Once you open the portal, create an account and verify your email before proceeding. Make sure to choose the correct traveler type and enter names exactly as shown on the passport. Don't pause for optional fields. Fill required fields first so you can complete payment and move to uploads. Once done with the account, continue by filling every required field carefully and why precision matters. Mismatched names cause rejections. You should upload your passport page and photo in the specified format and check file size and orientation before submitting. Make sure to add any supporting documents requested like visas or return ticket proof. After uploads, complete payment using your card. Keep a screenshot of the confirmation and reference number. If anything looks off, use the edit option immediately before final submission. You finish by reviewing the submission and selecting submit, then wait for the system to issue your QR code. Once you receive the QR via email, download and print a copy and save the digital file to your phone. Present the QR and passport to immigration officers when you arrive. Having both paper and phone copies speeds processing. If your application remains pending or is denied, check the rejection reason in email, correct any errors, and reapply or contact support within 48 hours.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.